Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Citibank app. First, I'm not going to show you an inside app tutorial. I cannot access at the moment. But of course, if you're looking for that tutorial, I apologize. But of course, here, I'm just going to show you here some places, an example on how basically to use it. Of course, I'm just going to type City like bank login interface to show you like the first thing once you have it. Of course, like Citibank app. If you don't have it yet, you can just go in any browser, type Citibank app, and as you can see, they will take you, or here they have the option if you want to download this, if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android, click on one of those icons, and of course, you'll be able to download this if you don't have it on your phone yet, whether you have an iPhone or Android. As you can see, if you click on it, they will take you right away into the store to download it. Especially if you're using a Mac, as an example, you can download this from here or choose to download this on your phone, etc. So, other than that, of course, we have here like if you want to use it even online, we have here is like a demo that will take you through anything. If you want like how to add a P, they will show you exactly how to do it. If you want to know how, as example, as you can see, I have here a whole PDF. All you need to do, just type Citibank demo as example. So you can type Citibank demo as example. Once you type on that, click on the second link and it will take you to that PDF, which you will be able to know on how to do everything online, not on the app. For the app as example, so the first thing that you will need to do as example, so it's going to be this, or the first thing that you'll find, you can sign in whether using the user ID and password. You can sign in using the touch ID if you already activated, or you can register for an account if you just created an account. So other than that, you will find an interface like this. You can start paying anyone. As example, you can start paying your bills. You can start submitting, as example, some TAN number. You can do multiple stuff as example, and you can see of course your balance and everything. And yeah, basically that's how you use the app. It's not like something big to do or something concerning. If you want any specific details, you will find a lot of videos in this channel how to use the Citibank. So yeah, that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.